This is lesson 25, listing the factors of whole numbers. So what factors are is, let's say I have 12 and I want to list the factors of it. Factors are numbers you times together to get the product. Okay, so these are your factors. Okay, product, factors. So when I am listing factors, I am listing numbers that times together to make our product. Okay, now the first two you can do for every single number in the world is 1 and the number itself. Always write those ones first because people always forget them. 1 and the number itself. Every single number, no matter what. Okay, then I look into other numbers. Now you can use your multiplications chart for this if you would like. I'm just going to do it from memory. So two numbers that times together is 2 and 6, also 3 and 4. Okay, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12. There are no other multiplication ones that I can do for 12. So these are my factors for 12. If I have the number 7, okay, and I'm looking for factors of 7. Well, the first two I can always do is 1 and the number itself. Are there any other numbers that I can times together to make 7? You can check your multiplication chart, but I'm going to tell you the answer is no. So it only has 1 and 7. This makes 7 a prime number. Okay, prime numbers are numbers that only have the factors 1 and the number itself. So 1 and 7. This makes this a prime number. Now you have more prime numbers as you're lower. So for example, 1's a prime number, 5's a prime number, 2's a prime number, 3 is a prime number, but as you get bigger and bigger and bigger, you start getting less and less prime numbers, because the bigger the number is, the more likely you are to be able to find other numbers you can times together to make that number. Okay, let's look at another one. So let's say list the factors of 20. Now remember, first one you can do is 1 and the number itself. Okay, after that, I'm looking for two numbers that times together to make 20. Okay, you can use a multiplication chart, or like me, you can just do it from your head. So two numbers I can times together to make 20. I could times 2 and 10. So 2 and 10 are factors of 20. I could times 5 and 4. 5 and 4 are factors of 20. And can I make it 20 any other way? Not by multiplying. So that means my factors of 20 are 1, 20, 2, 10, 5, and 4 are my factors of 20. Let's take a look at one more. So sometimes you're asked to compare. So you're saying which factors of 9 are also factors of 18. To do this, we need to do both factors. So 9, 1, and 9. And 3 times 3. Now, remember, when you have two that are the same, you only have to write it once. Okay, if you write 3 twice, I'm not going to mark it wrong, but you only need to write it once. Okay, so 1, 9, and 3. Those are the factors of 9. 18, 1 in the number itself, and then start going. So let's see, 18, we have 1, we have 18, we have 2 times 6 is 8, or 2 times 9 is 18. And we also have 3 times 6 is 18. So what are the factors of 18 and 9 that are the same? Okay, well, 9 and 3 are in both of them. Okay, which means 9 and 3 are the factors that 18 and 9 share. That is lesson 25 for Saxon 5, listing the factors of whole numbers.